Welcome back to Empires and Cocktails. We've got a lot going on today, so let's get this started. Let's do this victory shot right quick. Today's shot is a tequila. I did that right quick, but it burns left slow. That's how you get the creative juices flowing. Now let's mix a cocktail. Add a ½ ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice and a ½ ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. A ½ ounce of heavy cream, but first, we gotta have ourselves a shot. Wow. 3/4 ounces of simple syrup. 3 dashes of orange bitters. 2 ounces of gin. But first we have to have ourselves a shot. This is going to be a 5-minute shake. Yes, I said that right, a 5-minute shake. I will take breaks because I am not Hercules. Wow! I hope this drink's worth it. And we top it off with club soda. And that's the Ramos Gin Fizz. Today's word of wisdom is monetization. Monetization is something that becomes possible when people actually start giving a crap about your YouTube channel. Cold.